In the tapestry of existence, the pursuit of happiness and peace is a universal thread. We yearn for a haven, a kingdom of heaven, where joy resides eternally. Yet this kingdom is not a distant land, nor is it confined to ancient scriptures. It is a realm within us, waiting to be discovered. We often wander through life, searching for fulfillment in the external world. We chase material possessions, strive for recognition, and seek solace in the company of others. These pursuits may bring fleeting moments. The true source of peace and happiness lies within the depths of our being. Like a hidden spring, it nourishes our souls and colors our experiences. Our inner world of thoughts, emotions, and beliefs shapes our reality, painting the canvas of our lives with vibrant hues or somber shades. To open up the kingdom of heaven within, we must embark on a journey of self-discovery. Mindfulness and self-awareness are our guiding lights, illuminating the path towards inner peace. By observing our thoughts and emotions without judgment, we gain the power to choose how we respond to them. Forgiveness and compassion are the keys that unlock the gates of love and joy. By releasing resentment and extending kindness to ourselves and others, we create space for healing and connection. As we accept compassion, we break down the walls that separate us from our true nature. Gratitude and appreciation are the jewels that adorn the crown of our inner kingdom. By focusing on the blessings that surround us, we shift our perspective from scarcity to abundance. Gratitude unlocks the door to contentment, revealing the beauty and wonder that exists in every moment. Our connection to something greater than ourselves is a bridge to the divine. Whether it be nature, a higher power, or the interconnectedness of all beings, this connection provides a sense of belonging and purpose. It reminds us that we're not alone on this journey. Living from the heart is the compass that guides us towards authenticity and joy. When we align our actions with our deepest values, we tap into our inner wisdom and discover our true calling. By living from the heart, we become beacons of love and compassion, illuminating the world around us. The kingdom of heaven is not a distant promise, but a present reality. It exists in the stillness of our minds, the kindness of our hearts, and the connection we share with others. By cultivating inner peace, love, and compassion, we create a paradise on earth, a haven where joy resides eternally. The journey towards the kingdom of heaven begins within. It is a journey of self-discovery, transformation, and awakening. It is a journey that leads us home to the true source of our being, where love, peace, and joy reign supreme. We encounter two powerful allies, mindfulness and self-awareness. These are not mere buzzwords, but profound practices that can transform our relationship with ourselves and the world around us. Mindfulness is the art of being fully present in the moment, without judgment or distraction. It is a state of heightened awareness where we observe our thoughts, emotions, and sensations with a gentle curiosity. Through mindfulness, we begin to see the impermanent nature of our inner experiences. We realize that thoughts and emotions are like clouds passing through the sky of our consciousness, arising and dissolving without leaving a trace. By observing them, without getting caught up in their stories, we create space for peace and clarity to emerge. Self-awareness, on the other hand, is the ability to recognize our own patterns of thought, emotion, and behavior. It is the understanding of our strengths and weaknesses, our values and motivations. Through self-awareness, we gain insights into the underlying causes of our suffering and the sources of our joy. We begin to see how our past experiences have shaped our beliefs and behaviors, and how these beliefs and behaviors, in turn, shape our present reality. Mindfulness and self-awareness are not separate practices, but two sides of the same coin. Mindfulness allows us to observe our inner world with clarity and compassion, while self-awareness helps us understand the meaning and significance of what we observe. Together, they empower us to make conscious choices about how we want to live our lives. As we cultivate mindfulness and self-awareness, we begin to see the world through a different lens. We realize that our thoughts and emotions are not fixed realities, but fleeting patterns that arise and dissolve in the vastness of our consciousness. By observing these patterns without judgment, we gain the power to choose how we respond to them. We become the masters of our inner world, rather than its slaves. The practice of mindfulness and self-awareness is not always easy. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to face our inner demons. But the rewards are immeasurable. As we deepen our understanding of ourselves and the world around us, we discover a sense of peace and clarity that transcends the ups and downs of daily life. We begin to live more authentically, in alignment with our values and our deepest aspirations. Mindfulness and self-awareness are the golden threads that weave together the fabric of our being. They are the keys that unlock the door to our inner kingdom, the source of true and lasting happiness. As we cultivate these qualities, we embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery, healing, and awakening. We begin to see the world with new eyes, filled with wonder and gratitude. We realize that the kingdom of heaven is not a distant destination, but a present reality, waiting to be accepted with open arms. The path to inner peace is not a solitary one. It is interwoven with the threads of forgiveness and compassion, both for ourselves and for others. These qualities are not signs of weakness, but rather expressions of profound strength and wisdom. Forgiveness is not about condoning harmful actions or forgetting the past. It is about releasing the grip of resentment and anger, freeing ourselves from the burdens they carry. When we forgive, we create space for healing and growth, both within ourselves and in our relationships with others. Forgiveness begins with self-compassion. We all make mistakes, experience setbacks, and harbor regrets. By acknowledging our imperfections and accepting ourselves as we are, we open the door to self-forgiveness. This is not about excusing our shortcomings, but about recognizing our inherent worthiness of love and compassion, even in the face of our flaws. As we extend forgiveness to ourselves, we naturally become more capable of extending it to others. We realize that everyone is on their own journey, navigating the complexities of life with their own set of challenges and limitations. When we see others through the lens of compassion, we recognize their humanity and their inherent goodness. We understand that their actions, even those that cause us pain, are often rooted in their own suffering or misunderstanding. Compassion is not a passive feeling, but an active force that motivates us to alleviate the suffering of others. It is the willingness to lend a helping hand, to offer a listening ear, to extend a gesture of kindness. When we act with compassion, we not only help others, but also nourish our own hearts and souls. We create a ripple effect of kindness that spreads outward, touching the lives of countless others and contributing to a more harmonious and compassionate world. Forgiveness and compassion are not merely virtues to be cultivated, but also pathways to inner peace. When we let go of resentment and anger, we free ourselves from the chains of negativity that weigh us down. When we accept compassion, we open our hearts to the transformative power of love. In the acceptance of forgiveness and compassion, we discover a deep sense of inner peace that transcends the challenges and uncertainties of life. Gratitude and appreciation are the shimmering threads that weave a sense of joy and contentment into our lives. They are the keys that unlock the door to abundance, revealing the richness and beauty that surrounds us at every turn. Gratitude is more than just a fleeting feeling of thankfulness. It is a way of life, a conscious choice to focus on the blessings that grace our existence. When we cultivate gratitude, we shift our perspective from scarcity to abundance. We begin to see the world through a lens of possibility, recognizing the countless gifts that are readily available to us. We appreciate the simple pleasures of life, the warmth of the sun on our skin, the taste of fresh food, the laughter of loved ones. We find joy in the everyday moments, the gentle rustling of leaves, the soothing sound of rain, the vibrant colors of a sunset. Appreciation goes hand in hand with gratitude. It is the ability to see the value and beauty in all things, both big and small. When we appreciate the world around us, we deepen our connection to it. We recognize the interconnectedness of all beings and the delicate balance of nature. We become aware of the intricate web of life that sustains us, and we feel a sense of awe and wonder at the miracle of existence. Gratitude and appreciation are not only about recognizing the good things in our lives, but also about acknowledging the challenges and setbacks that we encounter. When we face adversity, it can be tempting to focus on the negative, to dwell on our misfortunes and lament our losses. But even in the darkest of times, there is always something to be grateful for. Perhaps it is the support of loved ones, the resilience of the human spirit, or the lessons learned through hardship. By finding gratitude in the midst of adversity, we tap into a wellspring of strength and resilience. We discover that even in the face of loss and pain, there is still beauty and meaning to be found. The practice of gratitude and appreciation is not a one-time event, but a lifelong journey. It requires us to cultivate a mindful awareness of the present moment, to savor the simple joys of life, and to find meaning in both the triumphs and the challenges that come our way. As we deepen our practice of gratitude and appreciation, we open ourselves to a world of abundance and possibility. We discover that the kingdom of heaven is not a distant destination, but a present reality, waiting to be accepted with open hearts. Beyond our individual lives, the journey towards the kingdom of heaven leads us to a profound realization. We are not isolated beings, but interconnected threads in the vast tapestry of existence. The pursuit of inner peace is not a solitary endeavor, but a collective awakening, a shared vision of a world where harmony and understanding prevail. The kingdom of heaven is not confined to the boundaries of our individual selves, but extends to our relationships with others, with nature, and with the universe as a whole. It is the recognition that we are all interconnected, that our actions and choices have a ripple effect that extends far beyond our immediate sphere of influence. When we cultivate inner peace, we contribute to the collective consciousness, radiating a positive energy that touches the lives of others. We become beacons of hope, inspiring others to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery and transformation. We create a ripple effect of kindness and compassion, fostering a more harmonious and interconnected world. The interconnectedness of all beings is not just a philosophical concept, but a lived reality. We are nourished by the earth, warmed by the sun, and sustained by the air we breathe. We are part of a complex web of life where every action has a consequence and every choice affects the whole. When we recognize our interconnectedness, we develop a sense of responsibility for the well-being of others and the planet. We become more mindful of our actions, choosing those that promote harmony and sustainability over those that cause harm and destruction. We see ourselves as stewards of the earth, entrusted with the care of its resources and the protection of its biodiversity. The pursuit of inner peace is not only a personal journey, but also a collective responsibility. By cultivating love, compassion, and understanding within ourselves, we contribute to the healing of the world. We create a ripple effect of positive change that extends far beyond our individual lives, touching the hearts and minds of countless others and paving the way for a more peaceful and sustainable future. As we journey deeper into the exploration of our inner landscape, we come to a profound realization. The kingdom of heaven is not a distant promise, but a present reality waiting to be accepted. It resides in the quiet moments of mindfulness, in the compassionate accept of forgiveness, in the heartfelt expressions of gratitude, and in the profound interconnectedness we share with all of creation. It is in these moments that we glimpse the true nature of our being, the divine spark that animates our lives. The kingdom of heaven is not a place we go to, but a state of being we cultivate. It is the culmination of our inner journey, the fruit of our self-awareness, and the embodiment of our deepest values. As we accept the kingdom of heaven within, we awaken to the infinite possibilities that life has to offer. We discover that joy is not a fleeting emotion, but a wellspring that flows from the depths of our being. We find peace not in the absence of challenges, but in the midst of them, knowing that we have the inner resources to navigate life's storms with grace and resilience. The kingdom of heaven within is our birthright, a gift waiting to be unwrapped. It is an invitation to live a life of purpose, meaning, and joy. It is a call to accept our true nature, to connect with the divine spark within, and to radiate love and compassion to all we encounter. So let us start on this journey of self-discovery with open hearts and open minds. Let us cultivate mindfulness, practice self-awareness, and accept forgiveness and compassion. Let us express gratitude for the blessings in our lives and recognize our interconnectedness with all of creation. The kingdom of heaven is not a destination, but a way of life. It is a choice we make every day, a commitment to living in alignment with our deepest values and our highest aspirations. While we accept this way of life, we become beacons of hope, radiating love and compassion to all we encounter. We create a ripple effect of positive change, contributing to a more harmonious and interconnected world. The kingdom of heaven is within you. Discover it, accept it, and share its light with the world.